In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from an image in Canva. This process is quick, easy, and can be done in just a few steps. Whether you're working on a design project, creating graphics for social media, or simply want to clean up an image, knowing how to efficiently use the tools in Canva will definitely come in handy. Let's get started by opening up your design in Canva. Once you've logged in and accessed your project, find the image you want to edit. The first thing you'll need to do is click on the image. By selecting the image, you ensure that all the editing tools related to it will become available. This simple action sets the stage for everything else that follows, so don't skip it. With the image selected, you'll now see an option labeled Edit on your toolbar. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will take you into a more detailed editing interface where you have a variety of tools at your disposal. The Edit button is key as it allows you to dive deeper into your image's properties, giving you the power to adjust, refine, and perfect your design. Next, look for the tool called Magic Eraser. This is a fantastic feature in Canva that allows you to selectively remove unwanted elements from your images, making it ideal for taking out text. Clicking on Magic Eraser will activate it and prepare your image for the fun part, the erasing. Now, it's time to highlight the text you want to remove. Carefully hover over the text on your image and drag your cursor to select it. The tool works its magic once you've highlighted the unwanted text, allowing you to focus only on removing those specific areas without affecting the rest of your image. Finally, you'll see an option to erase the highlighted section. Click on Erase and watch as the highlighted text disappears, leaving you with a clean, polished image. The beauty of this tool is in its simplicity and effectiveness, allowing you to make precise edits with just a few clicks. And there you have it. With just a few quick steps, you've successfully removed unwanted text from your image using Canva's Magic Eraser. This tool not only saves time but also ensures your images are exactly how you want them. Remember, the key is in the details and knowing how to use the tools available to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check out more of our content for all your design needs. Until next time, happy designing.